Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Crochet Tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to make a granny stitch. So let's get started. First of all, I am going to make a slip stitch. As you can see, slip knot. I'm going to use 3.5mm crochet hook, and I'm going to make now a foundation chain, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through, again yarn over, pull through. I made a foundation chain of 20 stitches, as you can see. Now yarn over and skipping 1 and 2, move into third one and then pull through. Now you can see I have 3 loops on the hook. Pull through 2, pull through 2, again yarn over, move into next one and making a double crochet. Again my hook contains 3 hooks, 3 loops, pull through 2, pull through 2. Now chain 1, yarn over, skipping the one, move into next one. I'm going to skip this one and move into this one, next one. Again very next contain 1 more double crochet, there is a gap of 1 chain, again 1 more double crochet, 3 consecutive double crochet, again chain 1, skipping the one, move into next one, again double crochet, again 1 more double crochet. The same pattern is repeated, 3 consecutive double crochet. As you can look, again chain 1, skipping 1, move into next one, again 3 consecutive double crochet, again chain 1, skipping 1, move into next one, again chain 1 and 1 more. Now I am going to make in this part a double crochet. Now as you can see that space is empty. Now at that point I am going to make 3 double consecutive crochet, 1, 2 and 3. Again chain 1, yarn over, and at that point I am again making 3 consecutive double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. You can look. Again chain 1. The pattern is repeated. Again 3 double consecutive crochet. This is 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1. Again 3 consecutive double crochet. This is 1, 2, and 3. Again I am going to make the 2 double crochet, that is the border of that pattern. This, the border total 5, and this one also contain 5. Again chain 1, chain 2, turn over, yarn over, and insert into loop and pull through, making a double crochet. Again chain 1, yarn over, and in that place I am going to make 3 consecutive double crochet. Pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, again chain 1, chain 1, and again making that border of 2 double crochet. As you can see, I have made more. You can increase the size of the stitch according to your length or need. So that is just a pattern. Cut it. I am also going to cut it. So I am going to close that part. You can also close it from that end and also close it from that end. It's up to you, whatever side you wanted to terminate the end. You can also close it with the needle. I am going to close that point with the crochet hook. Same you can repeat at that point. ambiguity relating that stitch, you may ask in the comment section. Hope this will be helpful for you. So stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.